How to subtly attract your crush. Have you ever wondered why some people effortlessly attract others without even trying? Crushing on someone but not sure how to grab their attention? Don't worry, science has the answers. Should you smile while flirting? What's the best way to approach them? How important is humor? Psychology-backed techniques can help you become irresistibly attractive, naturally. Join Dr. Y2Sai as we uncover subtle yet powerful tricks to make your crush fall for you without saying a word. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe so you never miss out on fascinating psychology facts. Are you ready to level up your flirting game? Let's dive in. 1. Smiling. Is it the best flirting strategy? Research suggests that women appear more attractive when they smile brightly, exuding warmth and friendliness. However, for men, smiling doesn't necessarily make them more appealing. Instead, they tend to be perceived as more attractive when they maintain a cool, mysterious demeanor, which adds to their intrigue. Interestingly, there is one expression that seems universally attractive across genders: shame. When someone tilts their head slightly downward, lowers their gaze, and adopts a subtle, shy posture, they unintentionally create a natural charm that can be incredibly captivating to others. 2. The best way to approach based on gender. Want to grab a guy's attention? Sit beside him instead of across from him. Research suggests that men feel more at ease and open to connection when approached from the side rather than head-on. But if your crush is a woman, the opposite applies. Sit directly in front of her. A face-to-face interaction creates a stronger sense of engagement and connection, making her more likely to be drawn to you. It's a subtle move, but one that can make all the difference without them even realizing it. 3. Mastering the art of humor in attraction. Want to win over your crush? Use humor wisely. Studies show that women are drawn to men who can make them laugh, while men are more attracted to women who appreciate their jokes. So if you're a guy, focus on cracking jokes and showcasing your wit to keep her entertained. But if you're a woman, the key is laughing at his humor. Showing genuine amusement makes him feel more confident and connected to you. A little laughter goes a long way in building attraction. 4. The magic touch, subtle yet powerful. Did you know that a light touch can make all the difference? Research reveals that gently touching someone's forearm for just 1 to 2 seconds before making a request significantly increases the chances of a positive response. But here's the key: it has to be subtle. A well-timed, casual touch can create an unspoken connection, but it's crucial to be mindful of context, boundaries, and cultural norms. When done right, this small gesture can spark intrigue and deepen attraction effortlessly. Final takeaway: be real, be respectful, build something real. Attraction isn't about tricks, it's about authenticity. The best way to win someone over? Be yourself. Stay true to your personality, respect their feelings, and focus on creating a genuine, meaningful connection. Chemistry fades, but a real bond lasts. So instead of trying to impress, aim to connect, because the strongest relationships are built on honesty and trust.